Hi, today in front of me Nokia G60 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here ring and notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications you should hold and swipe to the left side this dot. But by this way you will mute not only notifications but also the ringtones, and if you want to stay with the ringtones and just you want to mute only notifications, you just unmute this volume panel, then scroll down to default notification sound and switch your currently sound to none. Then just tap here to OK, and by this way you can mute notifications but you'll stay with their ringtones. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.